The importance of education. Education plays a vital role in shaping an individual's future and the progress of society. It is through education that people gain knowledge, skills, and values that help them become productive and responsible citizens. From learning basic literacy and numeracy to developing critical thinking and creativity, education serves as the foundation of a person's growth. One of the main purposes of education is to prepare individuals for the challenges of life. It equips students with the tools they need to understand the world around them and make informed decisions. Education also opens opportunity for employment, allowing people to improve their quality of life and contribute to their community development. Furthermore, education promotes equality and social progress. When people are educated, they become more aware of their rights and responsibilities. This awareness encourages them to take a part in building a just and peaceful society. It also reduces poverty by giving everyone the chance to success regardless of their background. In conclusion, education is one of the most powerful instruments for change. It not only transforms individuals but also strengthens the nation as a whole. Every person deserves access to a quality education because it is the key to a brighter and better future.